Well, hi folks, Jonas Cain here for another edition of Magic Words, and I am thrilled to have a very special guest, my longtime friend, magician, comedian, ventriloquist, Bob Carroll. And he's going to give us our magic word of the day. Bob?
Magic word is persistence. And what you said about my life, about all those things I did, it was persistence. I started out doing door-to-door car wax selling. I would sell car wax door to door. And I didn't give up. I was 10 years old. And so I just kept doing it. Finally, I said, I'm not going to sell any car wax at a house because nobody waxes their house with car wax. So I went to parking lots, and when people got out of their car, I started waxing their car, which got me in a lot of trouble, but I was persistent. And believe it or not, I sold a lot of car waxes because people said, I can't believe you're walking around with a bucket of water, car wax, and a rag in a parking lot doing this. And from there, you can be persistent in anything you want to do. All you have to do is never give up, always think positive, and most importantly of all, always have good friends and relations around you that you can share things with. That's being persistent, and it's a great motivation to get anybody going the way they want to go in their life. Very important indeed.
Those are amazing, amazing words. And
Thank you.
And I have to also echo, thing that helps us be persistent is having amazing friends and family and associates in our lives. I've known you since I was 8 years old.
That's correct.
And you were the first magician I met at a magic shop, and you've helped me over the years to stay persistent in my own career. So I want to thank you for that.
You're very welcome. Thank you. And I appreciate having us on today. It was really good. Just be persistent, whatever you do. Very important.
Thank you so much. Well, that's it for today's episode of Magic Words. We hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, my name is Jonas Cain. This is Bob.
I'm Bob. Bye-bye. Thank you. Let me, all right, so you ask me that question, I'm going to say, these are so tall.
I can shrink
Sit
myself.
on a freaking book. No, that's good. That's good.
I can be right here. Hi, we have a special guest.
That's fine. Yes. All right, good.
Move this over just a little bit so we can get all of you in.
Oh, yeah, all of me. All of me. Boy, the camera adds 10 extra pounds.
Yeah.
How many cameras are on me?
How do I look?
Yeah, we look pretty, don't we?
Here we do.
Ooh. Oh, Ollie. Standing Ollie. Hello. Okay, all right. Let's just do something. Is it on?
It is on.
Oh, no wonder. Let's start over again.